And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your graphics setting on Genshin Impact Mobile. So it's pretty simple to change your graphics setting in Genshin Impact Mobile. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing. To change your graphics setting as well, first you want to click on this icon over here at the top left corner of your screen, like your character's head looking icon. Once you click on it, you want to click on this gear looking icon, which is going to take you to setting. Once you're in setting, you want to go on where it says graphics. On graphics, you can change your graphics to whichever you want. Right now it's on medium, so if I want to change it on high, I can go on highest and it's going to take me to my highest. As you guys can see, I'm at my highest graphics setting over here. And if I want to go back, I can just click on this head looking icon over here, go on gear icon, and then I can just go on graphics over here and I can choose it to my medium lowest one, and I can even choose the other setting like render resolution from medium to other stuff. Now from over here you can make your graphics whichever you want. Just don't go high. If your mobile is a bit low end or your PC is a low end, then it can handle, like, the more higher you go, the more higher graphics it's gonna require, and the more overclocked your device is gonna be. So make sure to be on the one which your PC or your mobile can handle. So for me, medium is what my mobile can handle. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your graphics setting on Genshin Impact Mobile. So hope you guys